Yeah, and then there's one up here.
Ah!
Yeah. Yeah, watch the wasp. Ah! Oh! 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 Right on the finger! Oh, you good? You good? Ah!
Okay.
Yeah, but you got me good.
I'm sorry.
Now you good? You good?
Where'd J Fresh go?
I have no clue. That's what scares me. There's two right here. Boop. Yeah, he's friendly. He's friendly. Friendly. Friendly.
Okay.
I don't know. That's the problem.
Over here, over here.
There's one over here. I got you. I got you.
Probably not. I thought you were looking further down.
Moving to hotel. Oh, he's way back in the bar. Dude, right here in the corner of the hotel. I got this corner covered. I'm moving up. Woo! He's in the building. He's in the building over there.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, traded. Ah. Ah. Really? Ah.
Same team, dude.
Yeah, we got a Marine in there.
Watch the wall. Work hard with.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, my bad, dude. Don't shoot that guy's vape on the water tank.
Wait, my vape's up there?
Yeah. Yep.
Crap. Forgot to grab it.
New objective.
Ah! Woo! I think that was a gun. I'm gonna call that. That was close enough. He's down. Dead man. Dead man. Behind the bar.
Yeah, man.
Dead man. Bang bang. Nope. Oh,
Same
well.
team, same team.
Anti bang bang.
Woo!
I'll take that.
I'm good, I'm good. Aaron, you dead?
It's alone, I think. Larry caught it.
Yeah. Oh! You good?
All I can see.
That's fine. Ah. Whew. Really wish I had a ball cap. Oh. So I mean, if you're there, who the heck's in bar? Really?
Me, you, Chase, or Justin, and Aaron.
And this magazine's out of gas. Wonderful. Well.
I'll never run the team.
All right,
Are you on my team, Aaron?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me.
I got both down.
No one. Oh! 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 Gonna need a moment. Oh! 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 You hit me on the tip! Oh! Oh! Aaron, you hit me in the tip! Oh! 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 How am I ever gonna have kids? Oh!
Hit. Good shot.
Ah. 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 At least I can sing soprano.
My leg.
My Johnson. Ah. Ah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ah.
Sorry, Al.
Bang you. That was payback for my Johnson.
Is Justin on our team?
Oh, yeah. This is our team.
Oh,
In this
bang.
building is right here. Oh, it's Al.
I'm just waiting for that dude.
No, he's on our team now.
No, I bled out. Oh, sorry. Tag you.
Okay, I'm dead, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah,
I wasn't gonna take the bang bang.
Oh, my bad. Well, don't shoot me in the. Just shoot me in the butt. All right, just shoot me in the butt. You already shot me in the junk.
I'll just be dead.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I don't want you to shoot me in the junk again, man. You got me in the tip. Which, by the way, good shooting on that. Like, I presented kind of a small target for you. Oh! Oh!
Hey, Al, I think you should just stay right there for a little bit. Put your dead rag on over your cross and call it good.
I'm good. I'm
You
good. Oh!
He's good. No, he's good.
Oh! Yeah.
You sure? You got it?
You and him both. You and him both.
Same match we've
Oh, I'm good. I'm just gonna sit down here for a second.
There's something for you. You're good.
I'm good.
I will protect you, Al.
Thank you. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna walk it off. Oh. 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 Okay, I'm gonna walk it off. Oh.
We're missing one.
Is it J Fresh? No, Carter's behind us.
Second stairs.
I swear to God, if he's up there, he's just waiting to ambush us. I mean, good work. Is he on the second story in old A? J Fresh, Ollie Ollie Oxen free. Oh, you sneaky boy! I see you.
If there's no one up there, then we're good.
No, he's back there.
We're clear. Yeah, we're clear. Is that game? I don't know.
J Fresh is back there.
taking you out, Dick Red. Good call. All right. All right. No.
No, that's clear. Oh, I'm gonna invest in a cup. No, no, I'm not mad at both of you. I'm more impressed.
It's the fact that it was like within 5 minutes.
Oh.
That thing does sound mean when you shoot it.
Oh yes, it
It screams
does.
at you in German
Alright.
with a Japanese accent.
Wait, is that T? No, it's a WeTech.
Oh, what the fries are?
Have you actually seen that video where the Japanese guy's speaking in a Scottish accent? I'll send it to you. It's hilarious.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I am walking a little slower. Nope, I'm keeping my distance from you, man.
I'll drop my snap location.
I'm not. I wonder if I have grandkids, damn it. Oh, I want people to have grandkids. Payback. Ah! You blew out my legs! I ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan! Nice shooting. Yep. Oh, he's on the wall, he's on the wall, he's on the wall.
Are you with him?
Yeah. He's on the wall, he's on the wall. In fact, I'm out of gas. It's kind of disappointment. No. Gun heads do not count. Yeah, he's on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
I would say, I'll try and go around the left side, but, no? Chances. I'm watching that opening. Watch that opening, AJ. Woo. Hello, Carter. Woo! Hello.
If you get hit, you gotta stay where you're at. Alvin or Mixbury, yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the bridge. I don't want to shoot our dead teammate.
Is it 30 or 60 seconds?
You're at 30 seconds so far. Full 60.
It's 60.
By the way, you're at 20 seconds.
Okay.
15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
I'm not.
Is there a bee under me? Is there a bee under me?
I don't see it.
There is. I'm too scared to move
Okay.
because I really don't want to get stung. Either get stung by a bee or stung by a BB.
Oh, gun.
You know, AJ, if you shot me now, I wouldn't be mad because I'm kind of in a predicament.
All right, if I could save a couple welts,
Yeah,
I'm good for it.
yeah. That, and it's not that I'm allergic to bees or wasps, it's just, yeah.
Inconvenience.
Yeah, and I don't got any tea bags or nicotine with me. Or tobacco, I mean, not nicotine. No, I'm not down. He was, but yeah, just bang him. Just bang him. Hello, Carter.
Hey, let's try it out.
Okay.
Now, where's Jay Fresh?
I think they're all in A. Thank you.
Yeah, Jay Fresh and 40. Where are they?
I know someone's in A.
Someone's an A, huh? Well, I shall be the sacrificial lamb. I shall be the sacrificial lamb. Easy, easy. Go check upstairs. Go check upstairs. Quietly, quietly. Woo! Bang! Ah! Bang.
You didn't say hit or anything, dude.
I'm not gonna get hit in the dick again, man. Just tag me. Just tag me.
Ah, you got me. Well, I'm so confused.
He banged me, and I didn't want to get hit in the jewels by you, man. I'm too scared of you now.
Oh, we're talking about on the same team again. Then.
Yeah.
I don't want to clear rooms because this is shooting at like 1 point flat.
I can do.
Yeah, let's send it. Yeah.
That's it.
Everybody dead?
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Or wait, where's 40? Is 40 in there with you?
Yeah, 40 you got.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yay!
That was insane.
I was watching Al sneaking up this way. Saw him over that door up there.
Oh, hey, you weren't on this floor, were you? Okay, I was about to say, just as long as you're on the stairs, you're fine. Upstairs is off limits too. Okay. But
We got about 20 minutes left, so
by the way, you might want to tie your shoes.
I will.
somewhere.
I'm touching in
You have
spirit.
to come find me.
He's good at
But-
that wall.
Do a finger
I
gun.
went to that same spot 2 games in a row. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
He killed me both times, too.
Maybe we can both play the wall.
That was the plan.
Yeah.
Just a Mexican standoff.
Okay. I don't know where I want to go.
I'm on a quick draw with this dude. Foggy, I'm calling you out. we got that pistol. We're gonna do this like men.
Wanna have a duel?
Do.
Let me get comfortable. When I say 3, 2, 1, go, I'll open up for you too. So you
Alright.
Alright, you ready?
Hand out the gun, man. We're gonna see. Alright. Do not interrupt the
Hey, we're
gentlemanly
dueling,
duel.
Don't shoot me. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! Oh,
It's that Safari Land holster.
man. I can't wait to have my quick draw holster again.
And that's when my gun died.
Alright, now you're dead.
Right when my gun died. Yeah.
Pull the trigger. Beep, beep.
I'm gonna go up there and get that one dude.
Are you with them?
Ah! 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 My guts! My guts is spilling out! Ah! You had to go and speak. Now my guts are flowing out of me. Someone better tag me. Tag my foot, I don't care who. With 20 seconds to spare. I'm gonna clear the bar. Oh, friendly. Also, your dead rag's still out. Be happy that missed, man.
There's probably somebody in the tower. He's alive.
Alright, I'm gonna go check.
There's someone in the tower on the second story.
I know, I'm moving. Dead. Yep. Yep, just come and tag me. Just. Y'all be hearing noises, man. Like, seriously. Y'all be hearing noises, man. It's the wood creaking. That's all it was.
No, there's someone over there.
You sure?
I know that.
Yeah, well, I didn't see anyone. Be hiding good then.
You got hit.
Don't make me shoot you in the back.
I didn't get hit.
Don't do it.
I tripped, all right?
I heard a gunshot.
Yeah, that was me jumping in a shadow.
Oh.
Yeah, like I said. Y'all be jumping in nothing, man.
Keep your gun on him. I don't believe him. I know there's a guy over there.
By all means, go check. Yeah, go check. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna get a puff.
Don't try nothing.
I ain't trying nothing, brother.
Point that gun at me.
I ain't pointing nothing. My barrel is literally right down at the ground. All right? And that's why you keep your head low when you walk the tower, dingus.
Well, you're on my team now.
Well, I mean, I've been on your team.
I know there's a guy up there.
I can assure you. It's just you jumping in shadows.
Nah.
I mean, how long have you had this up here?
Nah, you go first.
All right. Well, did you get hit?
I think it.
All right. I'll go look. I'll go look for you. Easy, dude. Easy. Good God, man. Jumping at shadows. You see? Oh, hey, we got two this way. Whoop.
Hey, good shot.
Wow.
Go tag him.
That's a headshot.
Really?
Yeah.
Hot dang.
Dead man.
Woo!
Dead man.
Watch it, Foggy. There. Woo!
Dead man. My bad.
Last mag. Yeah, get up here. Come on. Get on this bridge.
Let me shoot the side cover real quick.
Yeah,
Y'all same side, ain't it?
Yeah. Get in behind cover. Come on. Stay down. Grenade!
Oh, hit.
Woo! Fist bump. Yeah.
Who's all on our team?
There's two guys up here, and there's one hiding. I completely fooled Foggy. You out?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, who's with us?
Everybody up on the second tower.
Okay.
This kid out?
There's two right here, Justin and Jay Fresh, behind those water tanks.
Got it. I'm gonna go tag this guy in.
Okay.
Woo! Heart's beating beating so fast.
Yeah, that's game.
Think. Well,
Game over. I knew there's a guy up there. I saw him up there.
Yeah, he's with us.
he was. But I couldn't exactly.
I know if I turned my back to you, you would have shot me.
I would've.
Is tired. That's it for me.
We got 12 minutes left.
Honestly, I say we just hang out up there and drink water and just
Yeah, we
Chill.
need to go hydrate for sure.
chill till closing time.
Sounds good.
But no. I knew I couldn't get you because if I got you, you had much more power on me than.
Yeah, and I was aiming at your jewels.
That was the other reason I wasn't
Your
gonna.
weak spot. That's the crit hit right there.
Oh yeah. I wonder how far I can actually shoot with this. Oh wow.
Al tried to play a trick on me. I knew there was a guy up there and he got tagged by him and he came out like this. He's like, "There's no one up there." So
I told him you were jumping at shadows. You know, you were just.
I was like, I know someone's up there. I just held my gun on him.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's pretty sweet.
For the mags.
Yeah, done. Paul, we're done.
Yeah, he's just shooting at stuff.
That was a pretty sweet. I was kind of concerned about.
I'm not gonna lie, this thing has got range. Like, seriously, for a little $100-something gun?
I got
Bucket
pretty-
of safety with
pretty
not
meaty fingers.
Yeah.
It's got some range on it too.
That's not bad.
Again, for a $100 gun?
Did somebody say game over?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Almost. Well, what am I saying? I'm about to hit the broadside of a barn, basically. Hitting that big old water tote.
Took the orange tip off. That's better.
Are all the goals like that? 'Cause we got a couple for
This
sale.
is the
Nope.
Gen 5.
Okay.
I don't really know how different they are. I think internally there's like no difference at all, probably.
Okay.
But,
Yeah, it's a clear chamber.
Probably like better steel, better gas. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oh, we got silver magazines now. Oh, that's cool.
Those are KJW mags.
Oh, they work in the. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Yeah, the Vorks mag, which, let me see if I can pull it out for you, because this thing,
Plate here
is
is
this the
heavy.
Vorks?
He's got some noise. I love it. Maybe I need to pull the plates out of
Is
this.
it? There's the Vorks. Yeah, the Vorks have got custom floor plates, to where
Oh,
it'll
okay.
fit, like, it'll flush with the,
I knew you were
Oh, okay.
That's the one thing about Vorsk
Sorry to
magazines I'll give, like,
I heard
yeah, it's based off the KJW system, but,
Yeah, and KJW is just based off the
I was
TM
like, you go up
system.
there then.
yeah.
And I just sat behind him.
The one thing, though, is that it'll fit this just fine, but standard, like, the ones with the big lip here, it won't. It will not feed into this,
At least.
which is weird. But it'll do the extended magazines just fine. Which I gotta ask you about those. The extended, like, green gas magazines. I had one that we got, like, 4 or 5 shots off of, and then the other one, just fine.
1200, you should have get close to 1200.
I don't know, unless I'm looking at it kind of thing.
Yeah, it was part of the Dueler's kit from my brother
Was it fully
that we got from Easy Paintball. It's going out sale.